Sound stock is approaching a key resistance at 853, and that level could trigger the next move. Recently, price has been recovering from a downtrend and pushing up from support near 678. We are now seeing a strong breakout above 793, followed by a slight consolidation just under resistance. Right now, 793 is acting as immediate support, while 853 is the key resistance above. If Sound breaks above 853 and holds with a daily close, then we could see continuation higher. In that case, the next upside target comes near 898 and then 935. If you want my structured daily execution plan before market open, it is available inside Patreon. Link in the description.